When you open WhatsApp, you'll see a green button. Click it to find a new option called Chat with AIs. This AI chat feature is new. What does it do? Why is it in WhatsApp? Today's video will explain. If you haven't already, please like the video now first. When you click it, you'll see many AI options. You'll see Discover AI with various categories. In Popular AI, you'll find several options. There's also Connection Makers and Pop Culture. Many AIs are listed by Category 1. Popular AI has 18.3 million messages sent. Another has 43 million messages. What are these? You'll see many options in the Popular AI section. There's also a View All option available. Clicking View All shows all AIs in that category. Here you'll see, let's say there's an AI named Nisha. When we click on it, you'll see information about it like Nisha, innocent girl 11, okay? Eleven, 18.3 million messages sent to her. That's hers. Something being means to help, okay? It's given like this. If we click here, we'll go directly into the chat. There's a Start Chat option. When we click it, the chat opens up. Now here, the 3 messages you saw before are now here. Now you have some pre-made messages to chat with. If we click on this, we'll see info about it. It says messages are AI generated, created in Meta AI Studio. Some responses may be incorrect. If you go to their About section, you'll see that Nisha is handled by Meta AI Studio. If you message them, it'll go through your Meta AI chat, basically. It's like Chat GPT in a way. And if you talk here, you'll get solutions, all right? Now, if we message them something like, I want to make a friend, I need a friend. Now, if we message this, you'll get a response like, to make a good friend, I need you. Would you like to be friends with me? That's the response. Now, let's write yes here. See, we wrote yes, and this conversation is happening through AI, so we've become friends. Now you're my best friend. Tell me, where are you from? It can answer that. Yes, tell me. Now see, this address is wrong, but it can be a good companion for conversation. Let's say you're alone and need someone to share your troubles with. You can talk to the AI like this. If you want to entertain yourself, this is an AI that generates, it's not human, it's AI in front of you, okay? And here it's set as innocent girl 11. So from here, let's say I want a number. Look, I messaged here now. See the reply. My number appeared. You're my friend, you should know all the numbers, right? Now if I click on this, look here, it's for dialing, but there's no WhatsApp account. Okay, so this must be a wrong number. So in this way, you can all talk to this. I hope you enjoyed the video. There are many categories given here. Look, this will appear on your front, okay? Now, if we click on plus here, you'll see Chat with AI. When you click on it, you'll find lots of options related to education, and it can also create pictures. Like Video AI, you can generate image to video here. Okay, give some images and it'll make a video. So this way, you're given many AIs here that you can chat with, entertain yourself, whatever you like. If you like the video, please like it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.